There's no shortage of wildlife here at Theodore Roosevelt National Park. Mostly what you'll see is prairie dogs, wild horses, and buffalo. But if you want to see the wild horses, you may want to plan your trip now. Amid great controversy, there is a possibility that they will remove these horses from the park. Now, when you arrive at the park, you're not assigned a site. You actually get to pick one, and then you simply drop the payment in an envelope at one of the payment stations. There are no hookups, and the sites are pretty unlevel. However, they are pull-through and mostly private. But fair warning, you gotta watch where you step. There's a lot of poop. In fact, there's not only poop in your campsite, there's poop everywhere. Sometimes there's even poop right in the middle of the road. Heck, sometimes there's even bison in the middle of the road. Now, can you imagine seeing these guys walking directly towards your car? What a sight to behold. Now, you can get pretty up close to these bison, but you do need to be smart about it. Recently, a woman was seriously injured and taken to the hospital after a bison attacked her. But for the most part, these animals don't pay any attention to you. Now, you may be wondering about predators in Roosevelt National Park. There actually aren't. Despite the park being quite large, there just isn't enough space for wolves, bear, and mountain lions. That means the park is responsible for removing these animals to control the population. Now, when you want to leave the park and do a little exploring, Medora, North Dakota is not a bad option, and it's literally right at the entrance. It's not only a popular Wild West town, but a concert venue as well. And I won't lie, there's some pretty cool saloons here, too. I would definitely stay here again. I mean, what a great way to unwind, to see wildlife up close and just be with nature. Now this is camping, okay? So there's no hookups. So for me, it's a 3 or 4 night stay, but well worth it. So if this information was helpful to you, do me a huge favor, hit that like and subscribe button, and hit that alert button also so you know when new content is available. All right, that's all I got for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.